In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal with QuickBooks Online. This process will help streamline your financial transactions by directly connecting your PayPal account to QuickBooks. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and perform a Google search for the QuickBooks website. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on it to access the login page. Next, enter your QuickBooks Online account details. Make sure to input your credentials carefully to avoid any login errors. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Bank Transactions section. Typically, you can find this option in the left-hand menu of your QuickBooks dashboard. Clicking on Bank Transactions will take you to a page where you can manage and connect your bank accounts. Now, look for the Connect Account button. This is where you'll link your external accounts, including PayPal, to QuickBooks. Clicking on Connect Account will prompt a search box where you can type PayPal. As you start typing, PayPal should appear as a suggested option. Select PayPal from the suggestions provided. Once you've selected PayPal, you'll need to proceed by clicking on Continue. This action will redirect you to PayPal's login page, where you'll need to log in using your PayPal account credentials. Begin by entering your email address associated with your PayPal account and then click on Next. After that, you'll be required to input your password. While entering your password, be sure to double check to ensure it's correct. Once you're confident in your login information, hit the Login button. Upon logging into PayPal, you'll be presented with a prompt asking you to authorize the connection between your PayPal account and QuickBooks Online. This is an essential step to granting permission for these two platforms to share your transaction data. To proceed, click on the Agree and Connect button. By doing so, you are giving QuickBooks access to pull in your PayPal transactions. And that's it! You've successfully linked your PayPal account with QuickBooks Online. This integration will save you time by automatically importing and categorizing your PayPal transactions into QuickBooks, allowing you to maintain accurate financial records effortlessly. If this is your first time linking accounts, don't worry if it seems a bit daunting at first. Just follow these steps and take it slow if needed. If you encounter any difficulties, both QuickBooks and PayPal offer support that can assist you further with account-specific issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll do my best to assist you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.